Welcome to my channel. Today I will prepare a very traditional Bengali recipe called Posto Bora or poppy seeds fritters. It can be served in the main course along with hot steamed rice and lentils or as snack or appetizer or tiffin. It can be part of daily meal or special meal. If we skip onion, we can also have it during festivals as Bengali Niramish or Bengali vegetarian recipe. If you like my recipe, then please hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below so that I can share more recipes with you. You can also follow me in social media. You can leave your comments below. I reply to all. I have soaked poppy seeds about 1 cup in water for a day. The poppy seeds have swollen. Minimum time for soaking should be 4 to 5 hours. Less the time of soaking, more time is required for grinding. Drain the old water and wash with fresh water from the tap once to get rid of any fermentation smell. Eat some poppy seeds. The taste will tell us if the fermentation smell is gone. If not, wash with fresh water again. My poppy seeds is good. I've transferred it to a mixer and grinder. I've used the chutney jar for better result. I've taken water about half cup in a small bowl. I'm going to add water to the poppy seeds little at a time. I've added water about 1/4 cup. Grind it till poppy seeds turn into paste. Add more water if required. Remember, don't make it too thin. It will be a thick paste. Add the poppy seeds that are not pasted into the paste. It is not necessary to paste it into a smooth paste. There can be coarse grains in the paste. Sometimes I add raw poppy seeds about 1 to 2 tablespoons to the paste. In fact, it will make the fritters taste better this way. It will make the Bora crunchy. Add chopped green chili, about 10. Finely chopped onion, half cup, optional. Ginger paste, 1½ tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Besan or chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons or as per requirement. Mix well. Instead of chickpea flour or besan, we can use any other binder like rice flour, all-purpose flour, corn starch, corn flour, or any other binder. We can also use a combination of 2 binders. Sometimes I add whole masalas like nigella seeds or kalo jeera or cumin, fennel seeds, etc. If I'm making Niramish or Bengali vegetarian Bora, then I skip onion. I feel like having more crispy Bora, so I added rice flour, about ½ tablespoon. Optional. Mix well. Taste it. Add whatever is required. I've added salt, ½ teaspoon. Mix them well and turn into a thick paste. Make sure the paste does not fall off the spoon easily. Even if it does, it falls in lump. Heat oil enough to fry the bora. We can use any other oil of our choice. I have used mustard oil because traditionally Posto bora is fried in mustard oil. Bring it to fumes. It is must in case of mustard oil, otherwise pungent smell and taste of raw mustard oil will remain. With spoon or hand, put little portion of the paste into the hot oil. Fry in medium to high heat till golden brown on all sides. Turn the bora only when one side is done and brown, otherwise the bora will break. Once cooked, put the bora on a rack and allow excess oil to drip into the frying pan. Then transfer the fritters to a plate. Serve it hot as snack or tiffin or with hot steamed rice and lentils. It serves 2 to 3 people. It can also be served with some amchur powder or chaat masala, chopped coriander leaves or cilantro and onion on it. We can also have it with some sauce. Please make it at home and share it with your friends and family. Let me know how it was. I will be back with another tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.